What's up, guys? This is Evo, and today, since I'm in Houston, what's up, guys? This is Evo. Welcome back to my channel. What's up, Creation fam? Welcome back to another day. Now, my favorite. Oh, I know y'all see it right there. We're back. Welcome to Evoscreation, and today we're making the cousin of a Long Island iced tea. Tokyo tea. Yeah, it's the same thing, but just a different, something different. We got Sprite instead of Coke, and we got this melon liqueur instead of triple sec. So without further ado, let's get it started. First thing you do, make sure you get glass and fill it up with ice. Now we got our ice in here. We're gonna start with the liquors. First, you know, we always gotta start with some tequila over here. So everything gonna be 3/4 of an ounce. I'm gonna measure, eyeball it, but not too much. We're using different liquors in here. Vodka is next. Same thing, everything equal parts, 3/4 of an ounce. Got the gin as well. Like I say, it's the same thing as a Long Island iced tea, but just different ingredients. And if y'all want me to make another version of a Long Island iced tea and a Tokyo tea, let me know. Hit in the comments below as well, because they got the AMF, same liquors. Like I say, different ingredients in there. Now let's add some white rum. If y'all can tell, this is a lot of liquor. I ain't had enough white rum in there. Right here, this is a lot. This is what I tell you. When you go to the casino, ask for one of these, Tokyo tea or a Long Island iced tea, it will get you going. Now we're gonna add our sweet and sour in here. Everything is equal parts. We run out of room in the cup. We should have got a bigger glass. That's what we should have got. To get the green color, because Tokyo tea is like a Long Island tea with the Japan version. Gonna put a little bit in there. We ain't gonna try to get it, just to get that color, that neon color that you're looking for. Last but not least, lemon lime soda, Sprite, whatever you want to call it. So you hear that noise? Freshly open. There ain't no pre-used soda. Gonna add enough just to get the flavors. And after all that, you'll need one of them stirrers. I don't got a shaker. I got one of these right here. So I'm just gonna stir it in. Look at that, professional. I'm professional over here. After that, put that aside. And there y'all have it. This is a Tokyo tea. If you like the color, comment down below. I'm a blue person myself, so that's why I want to make an AML. Without further ado, let's taste this drink. Oh yeah, I think this is better than Long Island iced tea. This melon liqueur right here and that sweet and sour make it perfect. So thank y'all. See y'all next time.